Добрый день. Today we are going to test out the effectiveness of fencing equipment when stabbed with various items. So, first of all, we will just use a normal fencing sword. This dog. Then we have the one that is broken just at the end and has been sharpened to a point. It is a very flexible saber blade. And then the natural enemy of the fencing jacket is the broken blade. You see, when it breaks, it can be jagged, and it is not so longer so flexible. So this is the real test for a fencing jacket, the broken blade. But we may also shoot it with an arrow. We will just see what we do afterwards. And we shall also test some chainmail just for fun. Okay, first off, we shall stab our target, which is this big dinosaur thing that's the archery target. We're going to stab it with the fencing sword just to show it will not go through. This is Leon Paul Ultralight, quite a nice blade. You see it has just bent. Has not really gone through at all, maybe it just pushed in a bit and it bent. As one would expect. Now we shall try this. It is flexible, but it is very sharp on the end. It goes in very easily. Again, I could get this right to the hilt. Right to the hilt with no problem. We will see how a fencing jacket protects against this. And thirdly, the broken blade. This is the danger we face on the fencing piece. Most fatalities are from something like this. Straight in, no problem. The jagged point is the culprit. So now we will put on the least protective bit of fencing equipment I could find. It is two layers of a bed sheet, maybe. It's not very protective at all. And we must note that fencing jackets are not there for protection. Well, not from the normal fencing stab. It is from the broken blade. So we will just do a normal stab. I do not think we need to replicate this much. It protects. Now, we shall try this sharpened saber blade. It has protected so much the blade is bent. Incredible. I did not expect this one bit. Not even a hole. Possibly is because the bend has absorbed the hit. Now, the very stiff broken FA blade. This is a FIE, best quality blade one may find. It lasted several years. This is very unexpected. How could two bed sheets sewn together stop a jagged blade? Okay, it seems pointless to continue, but let's do the next jacket. Here we have what is called an underplastron. It is Blue Gauntlet Fencing, USA. This is just stiff canvas. I expect it's going to be enough. The skinny pointy one first, with the very sharp points. It has held a bend again. Now the broken epic. Has done nothing. Totally unaffected. Now we have one of these rare things, a fencing jacket with a bit of cotton padding in it. It is a tatty old thing. I thought I would just sacrifice it and put a hole in it, but maybe I will not. Pointy blendy blade. No way am I getting through it. Well, here we go. This is when they decided that they had to protect people. They invent this thing. You see, it is FIE approved level 1. 350 Newton stab vest. This you must wear underneath another jacket, so it would be doubly fit. But we will just try one thickness. I do not expect we will get through it all. Pointy flexible blade. Has a dirty little spot, but that's it. Jagged rigid blade. Nothing. I think I'm going to have to shoot them with a bloody arrow. Pair of trousers, very thick, by Absolute FIE 1800. We have no hope of getting a broken blade through this, I would think. Pointy. Jagged. Okay, I'm putting the arrow onto them. £60 recurve, pointy little heads. Nothing at all, really. That's quite good, huh? The arrow from 10 meters, no effect on 800 Newton fencing trouser. 350, maybe we'll get through this. Can't even really tell where it was hit. The padded jacket. This is crazy. This is the ball that I shot through the chainmail with. Nothing. Stiff canvas. Maybe this will be able to be pierced. Well, there's a little mark. Has not gone through. We now only have the two skinny little things. Maybe it's the softness of the target that is absorbing the hit. Who can tell? We must dress a human up, but there's no prisoners, so we use the dinosaur. Finally, we get through! We have got through. Look at this. It did that quite easy. Well, well. All survive the broken fencing blade. Only the weakest of them will take an arrow. The arrow is not so razor sharp, but it's typical. So there you go. The fencer will beat the archer most of the time.